So we're moving on to question number 3. An individual computer lab session at a school is 24 minutes long. So that's a computer class. On Monday, 313 students each completed a session. So each kid completed 24 minutes. And there's 313. What is the total number of minutes that all of the students completed on Monday? So very clearly tells you that they want a total. Anytime you see a total, it's always going to be either multiplication or adding to come up with a total amount of everything. So we know that we have 313, and we know that each kid did 24 minutes. So in order to get a total, you would definitely have to multiply the entire amount. So let's estimate so that you can come up with a rough idea of what it's going to be as your answer. So if we do the 313, and if we go ahead and do that to 300, and then we do the 20, we know that it's going to be somewhere around 6,000 roughly. Okay, because we did 20, which means we'll drop down, and then we did 300, which we dropped down also. So we know that it's going to be over 6,000. That's a given. We know that it's not going to be 337 minutes because we have 313 students. Even if you did 1 minute per student, we know that it's going to be 313 minutes. There's no way because you have 24 minutes per student. So obviously that's going to come out. Common sense, that's going to come out regardless. And we know that it's going to be somewhere around 6,000 because we're looking at 300 times 20 as an estimation. So we know that the 1878 is out without a doubt. So now let's multiply. 4 times 3 is 12, carry your 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 5, and then 4 times 3 is 12. So then we have a 0 to hold our value, our place location. 3 times 2 is 6, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. And we're going to multiply or add our numbers. So 6 plus 5 is 11, carry your 1, 2, 4, 5, and then we have 7502. So we have to be real careful. So anytime I see that, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say this one right here is very close to my answer. So I'm going to double check my adding and my multiplication because the answer may very well be D. So I'm going to double check again. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 5. So we know that that's correct. 4 times 3 is 12. Okay, so that's a good number. Then we have 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. So now if we add 2, 5 and 6 is 11. Carry a 1, 2 and 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So I know that my adding is perfect. So therefore, the answer is there. So you have to be real careful not to just go and choose the answer without evaluating all your responses.